In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a friend on Steam. By the end, you'll be able to send a friend request on Steam using 3 reliable methods: searching a username, entering a friend code, or using an invite link. First, let's use search username. Open Steam. You should see the main Steam window. Click Friends. This opens your friends and chat options. Click Add a Friend. Steam will take you to the Add a Friend page where you can connect with people. Enter username. In the search field, type your friend's Steam profile name exactly as they use it. Usernames on Steam can be similar, so look carefully at the profile picture or details shown with the results to make sure it's the right person. Click Send Invite. On the matching result, click the Send Invite button to send a friend request. This doesn't change anything on your account or theirs until they accept, so it's safe to proceed. Next, let's use a friend code. Ask for friend's friend code. A friend code is a short numeric code that uniquely identifies a Steam account. Have your friend share their code with you. Go to Add a Friend. If you're still on the Add a Friend page, stay there. Otherwise, click Friends, then click Add a Friend again to return to it. Enter code. In the friend code box, type the code exactly as given, without spaces or extra characters. Double-check for typos to avoid sending the invite to the wrong account. Click Send Invite. Steam will match the code to your friend's profile and send the request immediately. Again, nothing changes until they accept, so you can send this confidently. Finally, let's add a friend using an invite link. On Get Friends Invite Link, your friend can share a personal link that points directly to their Steam profile invite page. Open it, click the link, or paste it into your browser. It will open a Steam page that displays your friend's profile and the option to add them. Click Add as Friend. This sends the request in one step, confirming that you want to connect with that specific account. At this point, you've seen all 3 ways to add a friend on Steam. Search username is helpful when you know the person's profile name and can recognize their profile in the results. Friend code is the most precise because it matches a single account, which helps avoid mistakes with similar names. Invite link is the fastest when your friend can send you a direct link. If you ever need to switch methods, you don't have to cancel anything. You can send a request by search, by code, or by link. Your friend will see the invite and can accept it. If you entered a username or code and didn't see the expected profile, carefully recheck the spelling or the numbers before sending. When using an invite link, make sure it came from the correct person and open it directly to the Steam page before clicking Add as Friend. To quickly recap while you're on screen, open Steam, click Friends, click Add a Friend, enter a username, and click Send Invite. For the code method, ask for your friend's friend code, go to Add a Friend, enter the code, and click Send Invite. For the link method, get your friend's invite link, open it, and click Add as Friend. Once you've sent the invite using any of these methods, your friend request is on its way. When your friend accepts, you'll both appear on each other's friends lists and can start chatting, joining games, or seeing each other's activity on Steam. That completes the process of adding a friend on Steam, and it's now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.